Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. Today I'm going to pick a few cards from these piles. This is a message for the collective, no groups. What messages are you guys meant to hear today? Okay, so let's start with the Denise Lane deck of cards. I love these cards. Okay, now you guys, you can even check my Instagram. I many times put out the energy of the day in the form of my tarot cards, oracle cards, or even the dices. Some people love this a lot. And if you are interested in Pinterest, I have more than 5k pins. Please go and check it out. And you can even follow me on podcast. Everywhere the name is same, Aao Baatein Kare. Okay, so let's see what is the message for you guys today. What messages you guys are meant to hear today. Okay, so let's see. The first card is from under the deck. Haha, stepping into power. Great, you are strong beyond measures. Switch on the AC. Yeah, it's great. This is a message some of you all needed to hear, or this is a validation. You all were asking, right? Answering the call. The time is now. So you all are thinking of starting something, finishing something. You have asked universe for some answer. The answer or the message is the time is now. Now is the time you take the first step towards your new direction, your new dream, your new destination. Third is fogged in. Go slow, take time. Okay, so you all may be feeling as if you all are fogged in, you all are stuck, you are not moving as fast as you all should. But don't worry, universe has your back. Take your time to be strong, heal, think wisely of your next step, and keep moving. You are in the right direction. And I think once you are stepping in your power, maybe some of you all need to recognize you are powerful. Recognize the power within you. This can also be a message for you guys. You all need to recognize how powerful you are. Let me put this here. Very positive messages. Let's see what else we are intended to see today. What messages should reach us today, is meant to reach us, right? Okay, this is the fairy deck. Inspiration. Be prepared as you will receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. Just see this, it's beautiful. So some of you all are thinking of something new, or ready to be inspired, or are already inspired. Maybe some of you all are writing something and stuck on some chapter or some lesson, or maybe some of you are an artist. So I think it's time for you all to just relax, ease, chill a bit, and you all will get the inspiration or the answers you all have been waiting for or looking for. Okay, so the next card is, okay, this is jumped. Journey. It's time to prepare for a journey. It may be impromptu or planned. Either way, Make sure you're ready when the time comes. Pack your passport now. Beautiful. See, this and this has come in the same place, answering the call. The time is now. Be prepared. Some of you all are on verge of starting a new journey. Many of you all know that. Some of you all are not very sure. So there is inspiration coming and answer coming. You all are coming back into power. Your what is meant for you is reaching you guys, coming to you guys. So let's see. These are very beautiful and really inspirational messages. This is what you guys are meant to hear today. Next message is, oh wow, new beginnings. Just see this. The fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby. Beautiful, guys. So some of you all are going to break this news of your pregnancy or a new child arriving in your family. There is a new addition to your family. It can be a new beginning in your relationship, in your job, in your career. Maybe some of you all are taking a new direction, right? So don't feel low, don't feel stuck, don't be fogged in. As I said, keep your focus. Good news and beautiful news is arriving. It's on the way. This is a Herbcraft deck. I love this deck. I don't think I've ever used it, so I've kept the book also to read. All the cards are beautiful in this deck, really very inspiring and very beautiful. But I'll do read it out for you guys, as the deck is even new to even me. So, okay, this has jumped. No time to wait. Adelaide of Fire. Wow. Just see, she's working so passionately and cooking and grating all the we call it masalas, lal mirchis and all that. Let's see what the book has to tell or has to say about this. Adelaide of Water, Adelaide of Fire. Dare to take a risk, be bold, defend the integrity of grandmother's teaching. Heat erupts, then heals. A young woman makes a spicy vinegar called fire cider. She gathers ingredients: garlic, onion, horseradish, ginger, rosemary, thyme, cayenne vinegar. She grips the side of a molasses jest with one hand and crushing peppers with other. These red peppers, we call it lal mirchi, masalas. These are all spices, we call it masala. Cast and divine glow on her workshop. The Adelaide of Fire fiercely defends her passion and her. I didn't tell you all, this is a card of passion. Very passionately she's working on what she wants. Like the warm, stimulating medicine of cayenne pepper, she is bold and relentless in her advocacy. She vows to protect folks and tradition. She knows that access to this ancient remedy may be threatened. She is determined to honor the ancestor by keeping the people's medicine available to all. She is inspired by countless teachers and have freely shared information with her as she has learned about herbal medicine. She fights the integrity of the community by passing on what has been given to her. She inspires others to follow her lead. Wow. Empower others, host a community, boost your boldness, begin a day with a shot of fire cider. Stand up to cooperate greed, craft your own fire cider. Beautiful. This can also mean stand up to what you believe in and share your talent with as many people or close ones as you feel. Sharing only increases your talent. Wow, beautiful messages coming out, guys. So let's see what's the next message. These cards are in such a hurry, they don't want to wait at all. And I think you will also like my video on how to fill up your cup of life. You can even check on my podcast. It's available on Anchor, Spotify, Apple Podcast, everywhere. Okay. So let's see. The next card is Death, Marigold. So death is a symbolic thing. Something is ending and something new is beginning. So I'll read out. But just look at the card. Even the death card is with all the marigolds. There is this card of my 8-7. This is card number 13. Okay, I didn't know the number. Now I'll find. Yes, death. Just look at all that beautiful painting on that skull and the light, candles. It's a butterfly for transformation, marigold. 13 beeswax candles glow inside a mandala of marigold flowers in a dark room. A skull painted in striking red, purple, green is illuminated in the center. Delicate and colorful cut tissue paper flags, frames and bottom and top of the mandala. Monarch butterflies are drawn to the rich accent of the flowers. All things come to an end. Find closure so you can accept renewal. Beautiful. First pay homage to what must die. It is given you life. The rich scent and vibrant color of the marigold is said to lead the soul of the beloved dead home. So we may celebrate them and live their life. Live the lives they lived. Honor your experiences as they pass. Like the delicate paper flags, life is fragile and fleeting. Delight in the beautiful moments as the bright marigold flowers will eventually wither and fade. Embrace this time of transition. A sacred contract is reaching completion. Let the petals fall. Beautiful. Outside the center as it consumes the body of the welcome transformation. See this. So as I said, this is death is some chapter is getting over and a new chapter of life is beginning. For a new to begin, recognize that this is ending. Say thank you to this chapter of life and say welcome to the new chapter of my life. Such beautiful details. I love these cards. Okay, I told you na, these cards don't wait, they just jump off. Turmeric. Okay, in Hindi we call it haldi. This is turmeric is antiseptic, so it is very healing. So let me read from this. Eight of earth. Earth is pentacles. 8 of pentacles. Okay, 10 of fire. Water. Yes, 8 of air, 8 of earth. Turmeric. Okay, let me hold it up to you. This is the wet turmeric here, and just look at the beautiful yellow clothes behind on that wire or clothes thread, clothes rope. Okay, so they are showing as if she's coloring this tie dye. It's called tie dye in India. This way of coloring, no? You can even color it in some part can be yellow, some part can be kept white as it is. This is called tie and dye. Tiedye. Okay, now let's read this turmeric. Excuse me. Fresh turmeric is sliced on a cutting board. An old white dress is lifted from the pot of warm water. See? And bright orange powder made from the dried root. Old t-shirts, dresses, and linens afraid they turn in the dye bath. Tools rest on the counter. Freshly dyed garments dry on a line in the sun. Dedication leads to mastery. Is your commitment strong enough? Put in the time to hone your skills. The longer the fabric soaks in the dye bath, the more vibrant the lasting the color. Hard work may sometimes take its toll. It can feel isolation and frustrating. Do it anyway. Turmeric symbolizes the body, increasing vitality and strength. Remember to take care yourself at the root. If you are struggling with diminished self-worth, teach your craft to others. Look for ways to encourage the community in your projects. Turmeric medicine survives because it has been passed down through generations. Trust the value of keeping time-honored traditions alive. Host a turmeric dyeing party. Beautiful. See this. I told you, no? This is a dye bath. This is called tie and dye in India. So this means, like the Eight of Pentacles, work on your skill and on what you believe, what you enjoy, and you will reap the benefits. The Pentacles are benefits you will reap soon. But for that you have to put in the work, put in the time and effort without doubting yourself. Okay, now I'll just be putting very few of these, and some of the I'll add in one number. Okay, so let's see. A phone symbolizes a message, that you can get some message or information or something new through the phone. Tortoise always symbolizes, as you know the story, tortoise symbolizes longevity, but in the story, slow and steady wins the race. So keep working on yourself and you will get the results. Keep moving forward. Don't be stuck in a place. The stuckness can even be in your thoughts. Don't give up. If you enjoy something, take it as a hobby. Maybe that can become a new career in life. You don't know, at the times are changing. Anything can happen, anything can start up, anything falls down. So if these situations have taught us anything, is to take to know how life is precious and to take risks in life. Okay, so the numbers are 3 and 5. I'll just put them down so they are not so crowded, and it can also be an 8 together. So this can be some number which holds a meaning for you guys, a birthday, anniversary, number of or place of your home, your block number, your flat number. Okay, book is you all are getting some new information, and book always means learning. You all need to learn something new, upgrade something new. Maybe you all learn to if you are baking, you need to learn something updated, or if you are cooking, so maybe you want to learn some other cooking. Maybe you want to learn a new language, something in your ICT computers. So anything, you need to upgrade your skills to get back in your market of job research, or to get into a higher position, or some goal of yours which you all are manifesting. A very big step is upgrading your skills. Okay, ship always represents something new happening, some beautiful change, something coming in your direction, something anchoring you. Maybe you all are sailing towards settling in life, and this also is the wheel of fortune. So maybe you all are going into a new direction, new job, new relationship, which settles you. This can be your final destination. Shells, just see the beauty. It also means you need time to relax, chill, take some time on the beach, maybe go for a movie. You can even see a movie indoors, relax, meet up with friends on WhatsApp, FaceTime, just chill. Okay, so these guys have got two giraffes. Giraffe, always I find them very beautiful and unique. So trust in your own beauty, believe in your own beauty. It can be your physical beauty, your mental beauty, and it can also be something you are very creative in it. You have to believe for others persons to believe in that. Don't give up. You are very creative in something, and just believe in it and take the step. Oh, bunny always also symbolizes fertility. It is fun and relax and just chill, but it also symbolizes fertility. Okay, and the word is peace, which we all need in life. These are the basic ones I have told you all. Oh my god, I'll just raise up these charms. So these were the messages for you guys. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon again and on any of my platforms or all of my platforms of Aao Baatein Kare. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Have a great night if you all are watching in the night. Great weekend whenever you all are watching this. Okay, take care. Bye bye.